I am going two-wheel drive short course truck racing in what might be the cheapest way that you can get into racing two-wheel drive short course truck using this Team Associated. This is the SC10 Pro 2, very, very basic truck, and I am taking you on this journey with me. If you remember last season, I actually ran my Losi DB Pro. They let me run it as a four-wheel drive short course truck because that's basically what it is with a heavy body and a light part. So this year, Team Associated Pro 2 SC10, literally not really the best looking body in the world, if I'm honest, but very basic chassis. You'll recognize it kind of like from the DR10 drag car and their cheaper buggy. This is plastic chassis, about as cheap as it gets, just over $300. Rear motor, it is brushless. I've installed a transponder, I turned off the gyro, I changed the plug over from the factory plug, and I installed last year's used race tires, which is probably the biggest mistake I've made so far, but they're clearly going to be better than the Basher spec tires that come on it. So, I mean, here's the body, here's the box itself. Like, clearly, I just took it out of the box. There's still even the plastic on top of the body. That is literally how little has been done to this. Haven't changed the gearing, haven't changed the shocks, and we're gonna go with this super budget truck up against vehicles that cost way more than it, Teknos and full Team Associated race trucks and all this kind of stuff, and see just how good can we do. Like, are we gonna win first? We are not winning first at all, no stretch of the imagination, but yeah, maybe we can do okay. So we'll see just how good we can go, and along the way throughout this season, we will do some changes and modifications along the way to make it a little better. It's time for me to get all this packed up and head to the track. Let's go. I have turned my first laps just doing practice and immediately ran into an issue. These hinge pins, there's hinge pins right here that hold on this whole front control arm. Turns out one of mine, either I immediately have lost a screw or it actually didn't come with a screw. I don't know if you can really see that here, but here there's a very small, like the 1mm screw that holds that hinge pin in. On this one, there's no screw holding it in, so that hinge pin was starting to back out, and this whole control arm was just super wobbly.
Hey, Mike.
Going live in less than 5.
I got a marshal if you're standing there.
Racers, this is for all smart ones.
No, we need a marshal right there.
Less than 5.
Hopefully not.
Died. Oh, sorry. Somebody's having some drops on this person like that.
Oh no! Oh, there we go.
On the top,
I gave it up.
Like right on in the middle of the wire.
Come on, man. You gotta go work on this car.
Oh, it's close.
Oh. It's done. It's done. Turn it on. Turn it back on.
I did it. What am I doing? Oh man, no, I'm crashing. Oh, you passed me.
Yes, number 2, Troy.
Seriously, folks, I got second on my first shot out with this absolute ready to run Team Associated. I can't believe it. I mean, I got lucky, honestly. There were 3 drivers there at minimum that were definitely faster than me, and 2 of them broke and were out. So that might be part of the reason why I got second. First place, congratulations. Like, literally just could do nothing to catch him no matter what. So dude, I'm pretty excited. I'm happy now to maybe start looking at what kind of upgrades I can do to this. What are some small tweaks I can do to make this thing lighter weight and maybe even go even faster? So stay tuned for that. I have a whole RC farm playlist of all the racing that we have done out there, and there's going to be more stuff with this truck specifically, so check it out. Thank you and goodbye.